Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw this AutoCAD 3D modeling. This is tutorial number 5. Before we start the drawing, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. This channel will daily upload with AutoCAD 3D and 2D modeling tutorials and other marketing knowledge. Okay. To draw this short drawing, please open the AutoCAD. Erase my history. This is the AutoCAD 2017 version. Please check the unique UN type decimal precision 0.00 unique millimeters and then OK. Here, firstly, I have drawn this box. This is the combination of box. Okay. To draw this box, choose the wireframe to sequence and choose the isometric view. Then the box command, box it here, and then the length is, we'll see the length is 68 depth, and the width is 50, width is 50, enter, and the height, you see the height is 28. Now we'll get this box and then another box. Okay, choose the box here, and the length is 18, 18 depth, the width is 50, and the height is 32. And for the move key, hit select objects and that space point to here. Okay. And then use the union command, hit two objects, enter. Now we have this part. Okay, another the circle extrude is diameter is 65, height is 48. 48. C for the cycle, D for the diameter, 65, and the extrude value is 48. 48. Okay. Now we move, and for the move command, select objects here to the midpoint, and now you will see that the offset value is from this point to the top is 10. So, and for the move command, select objects, enter, specify base point to 10. Then use the union command to combine the packs. Okay. Now you can change the shape with X. Now you have this just like this. Okay, change the 2D wireframe. Then we make a hole in here. The hole diameter is 20 here. Okay. C for the cycle, specifying base point is here. D for the diameter 25. And then use the press pull command. The blue point, the blue color, and then click through the objects. Okay, and now you will have this hole. Okay, change the shape with X. Okay, use the objects. Okay. And change the 2D wireframe easily, step by step. And then this is the box. This is the box. Okay. Now we use the box command. here, and the length is 140 minus 68. Okay, with calculator. Okay, 140 minus 68 is 72. Okay, 72. That key, the width is 30, and the height is, and that width is 30, and the height is the same diameter of this cycle, 60s. Now the width is 30, 30, and the height is 60. Okay. And for the move command, select objects, enter, choose the midpoint to midpoint. Now combine this back. Okay, now you will see the solid one. And then to draw this half diameter 60, change the UCS icon, click the base point, x86, y86. Now you will see the face. Okay, C for the cycle, diameter is 65. Diameter is 60. Use command, C for the cycle, D for the diameter is 60. Okay, and then the extrude value is 50. Extrude that select object 50. Then we will choose the M for the move command, select object here to the midpoint. Okay. Now the offset distance is 50s, 30s, another size 10. That distance maybe might be 10 millimeter. Okay. And for the move command, select objects here to 10. And use the union command, the whole object. You will see difference. Combination almost finished. Okay, we have to make a hole diameter 25. C for the cycle, click here, diameter 25. Okay, now press blue command, the blue one, click to the through. Enter. See. Now you will get the hole complete. Enter. Now you will get the complete tutorials. Okay, very simple. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.